Alright, got a green. Flaps are up. Alternators are on. We're light. Gear down will stay down, gear up. Hit to fly in the plane, identify, verify. Gear's coming up, blue line, I'm committed. I'll leave the lights on, stay on the mains. Alright, let's turn to see the runway. Got about 1,000. There's the airport. Alright, I'll stay on the mains, lights are on, gear needs to come down. Alright, I'm on the mains, cows are shut. Alternators are on. Turning downwind 15 inches, puts me at 140 something, so with the gear speed. Dropping the gear. Got a green. Little trim. Alright, that brought me on top of the green. Alright, downwind to beam the numbers, 15 inches. First notch of flaps. I got GGU, mixture and props to go. Gonna try and pitch for airspeed, power for altitude. So now I'm gonna power back an inch, up trim an inch, base. Flat, mixture, props, back a couple inches because I'm really light and I'm high and fast. Alright, gears confirmed down, I got GGU, everybody is done. Alright, 400 AGL blue line, I'm committed to flying, I got the power back. Everything's good, green. Now I can start slowing up. Trim is needed. Going for red line over the numbers. Feeling my pants. Right over the numbers, here comes red line. Go back and do another. Promised I would do a go around with pull aft trim and see what happens. So when I'm really light, I notice I really have to be pulling the power back, and on base, I'm putting all the props full forwards. Pumps. Gauges are good. Airspeed's alive. Brakes. Here. So I try and keep it on the ground as long as possible, but if it feels like it wants to come off, I let it come off. Or if it hits that red line, I'm asking it to come off. Pull that back some, pull that back some, shut them. Flaps confirmed up. Do this turn again. Turn until we see the runway. 1,000 feet pattern. Stay on the main. Alright, 1,000. Pumps to come. Lights are on. Gear wants to come down. On the mains. So 17 inches, I'm about 150 miles an hour, so I gotta pull another inch. Touch slower with the gear speed is fine by me. Let's do a tight pattern because I'm doing a go around. I turn it downwind. Gears coming down. Drop it at 140, give it a little trim. Blows me up to 125, top of the green. Pump the mixtures a bit. Gears confirmed down. I got green. Pumps. Got G. As I see someone going for 2.6. Alright, gears confirmed down. Pumps are on. Got G. Beam the numbers. Full flaps. Power back to 13. Bringing the mixtures forwards. There's my full flaps. Giving it an up trim. Let's get this slow. Mixture full. We'll open the cows for this. Power comes back. Get some up trim. That's pretty aft. Mixture and props are full. Pumps, GGU, full flaps. Everything's good to go. Idle. There's full aft trim. 300 feet. I don't like it. Let's go around. Got some birds there. Full power. Now if I leave go of this, yeah, it goes up, but it's easy to overpower. Get rid of some flaps. 1, 2, 3. Get the gear up. Retrim. Rest of the flaps. 1, 2, 3. Passing white arc. I'm already up to 140. Flaps are confirmed up. Gear is confirmed up. Retrimming. So it was easily manageable, but yes, I did have to push down. I was at blue line, and as a twin, I probably wanted to speed up. I could have trimmed down quicker, but I wanted to see the feel. Gears up. Flaps are up. Same thing. No one out here but me. I go up here and circle for the gear, just lets it cool off a bit. Lights. Got G. Air horn sounds like this. Passing through about 12 inches. Get that horn. Back up to 15. Horn stops at about 12 again. Alright. We'll keep this in tight, see what happens. Alright, midfield, gear comes down. 3,900 foot runway, so by the time the gear comes down 7 seconds in transit, their gear is down, and I'm still midfield. Gear is down. Gears confirmed down. I got GGU, MP. Everybody is good to go. Alright, gears confirmed down. One final time. 400, blue line. Commit this to landing. Looking okay. John Jenks. Same as before. On the rudder. On the rudder. On the rudder. So the wing dip and I jumped on the rudder. Rather than all aileron, you gotta use that rudder. Same as before. On the rudder. On the rudder.